What's up, Pickle Peeps, and welcome to Small Business Saturday. How is your day going? I hope it's totally awesome. Whether you're out at an event, whether you're doing digital sales, whether you're spending time with your family, having second Thanksgiving, all of the above. I know there are years that I've done all of the above on that before, but I hope everything is going great for you. In fact, comment below and let me know what you're doing for Small Business Saturday, Pickle Peep. Are you at an event? Are you doing digital? Are you doing all of the above? All of that. We we put up some Christmas lights today. We went and checked out a new gelato place today, and I just did my trunk show. So you can see our background is not what we usually have here for these videos, but I'm not taking it down right now. We just wrapped up invoicing for our trunk show today, which was our Secret Santa trunk show. That was my big thing for Small Business Saturday. Besides the website's still bringing in sales, so we will take that. And yeah, this is mostly like this weekend for me feels like keep it on, and just like we've done such a big push to get here. It's just get through this weekend and get everything prepped for what's coming next, which for me on here, we have Cyber Monday on Monday, we have MIFGE launch, we have 12 days of Christmas, and all of that. So we're kind of like, we're coming in towards the end of the world domination plan to be able to assess back afterwards and see like what worked, what didn't work. Kind of excited for that part. I'm also exhausted right now, so we're going to keep this one pretty short. Let's run the numbers. Emails, 0. So, SMS, 0. Sales today, $337.03. Combined between the trunk show and the website. I do believe the trunk show will continue to bring in more sales tomorrow and Monday. And the website, of course, will continue to do so as well. Other things that will be happening probably on Monday is there are a couple local shops that I have jewelry in that I will be taking stuff to. They're asking for restocks and new stuff, so I'll be taking a bunch of my smaller pieces, my bit more lower end pieces, earrings, easy necklaces, easy gifting stuff, over to Flowers by Lisa is the big one right now that's been asking me. So that is the plan. And I really I don't have any epic words of wisdom or rants to go on today. My shoulder really hurts. I don't know why. Figured that maybe that's affecting it. But yeah, that's about it. So I asked you your question. Let me know how it's going. We did second Thanksgiving today. I saw a Lord of the Rings meme. It was just like, oh, perfection. It was that we've had one Thanksgiving, yes, but what about second Thanksgiving? I'm like, yes, because that is always what we do. And all of that. So the dinner is done. Now it's just, we still have leftover dessert somehow. I'm not really sure how that happened, but I'm sure they'll all be gone by the end of tomorrow. So that said, I will touch base with you guys again tomorrow night, get you updated on how tech and everything is going, sales are going, and then of course, it's starting to fulfill on all the orders that have been coming in this weekend. So that, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care, stay epic, keep rocking it and crushing it this weekend. This is not the time to crash. We got another 2 weeks before we can crash, okay? I really don't. The crashing doesn't exist, but it's a nice thought anyway. All right, guys. Bye!